Number 1. 1973 Dodge Dart, $4,500, Milan, Michigan. This 1973 Dodge Dart is an exciting budget Mopar project with a 360 cubic inch V8, camshaft upgrade, and 4-speed manual transmission. The seller says it runs, drives, stops, and is even being daily driven. First through third gears work properly, but fourth gear has an issue and will eventually need attention. The exterior is driver quality, with dents, dings, body filler, and what the seller calls 50-foot paint. A carpet kit is included. At $4,500, this Dart offers V8 power, a manual transmission, and plenty of potential as a street cruiser. Number 2. 1952 Dodge Coronet Coupe, $10,000, Greenbelt, Maryland. This 1952 Dodge Coronet is a charming early post-war coupe with a reported 25,000 original miles. The seller says it runs and drives and has a clean title, making it more usable than many cars from this era. Brand new white wall tires are ready to be installed and should suit its period styling. At $10,000, its low reported mileage, 2-owner history, and classic design make it an appealing vintage cruiser. Number 3. 1981 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $1,500, Nokesville, Virginia. At only $1,500, this 1981 Ford Thunderbird offers an inexpensive entry into American personal luxury cars. It has 91,862 miles, an automatic transmission, a sunroof, and a V8 that reportedly turns over. The seller says it was running when parked and stored in a garage for years. Because it has not been restarted, the fuel system, brakes, cooling system, tires, belts, hoses, and fluids should be inspected. If the interior and exterior are as described, it could be an affordable 1980s preservation project. Number 4. 1948 Chevrolet Business Coupe, $10,000, Portage, Pennsylvania. This 1948 Chevrolet Business Coupe features a 216 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, 3-speed manual transmission, column shifter, and 6-volt electrical system. It reportedly ran when parked, but the brakes need a complete inspection before returning to the road. The 76,625-mile reading should be verified. Its relatively simple mechanical design makes it an attractive restoration candidate. At $10,000, it is best suited for someone seeking traditional American vintage styling rather than muscle car performance. Number 5. 1987 Pontiac Firebird Coupe, $7,500, Dunn, North Carolina. This 1987 Pontiac Firebird is an appealing original driver with a 5.0-liter V8 automatic transmission, 3.42 limited-slip rear gearing, cruise control, tilt steering, cold air conditioning, and the original factory tape deck. The seller describes it as garage-kept and unusually clean. With 141,500 miles, it is not a low-mileage example, but its working equipment and mostly original condition add appeal. The rear spoiler is reportedly its biggest flaw. At $7,500, it could be a great choice for someone seeking a third-generation Pontiac without a major restoration. Number 6. 1984 Dodge Ramcharger, $5,500, Mount Airy, North Carolina. This 1984 Dodge Ramcharger has been heavily modified with a 440 cubic inch V8, 727 automatic transmission, Holley intake and carburetor, electric fuel pump, electronic ignition, long tube headers, and dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. It also has a 3-row aluminum radiator, upgraded brake booster, improved shifter, recent tune-up, and transmission service. At $5,500, it offers plenty of hardware for the money. However, the wiring, cooling system, drivetrain, brakes, and quality of the modifications should be carefully inspected. Number 7. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, $2,500, Bridgewater, New Jersey. This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is being sold as a complete parts car. The frame is rotted, and it has not run since 1993. The 6-cylinder engine still turns by hand, but the structural condition makes a normal restoration impractical. There is still considerable value in the hood, trunk lid, doors, glass, stainless trim, grille, bumper, and interior components. It also comes with a title. Because the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is highly desirable, these original parts could be valuable to another restoration project. Number 8. 1985 Ford Ltd Crown Victoria, $5,000, Hickory, North Carolina. This 1985 Ford Ltd Crown Victoria is a low-mileage survivor with only 40,000 miles. It has a 5.0-liter V8, automatic transmission, working heat, cold air conditioning, and an air conditioning compressor less than 4 years old. The seller rates the interior 8 out of 10, paint 7.5 out of 10, engine 9 out of 10, and transmission 9 out of 10. The main concerns are the rear brakes and a possible small vacuum leak. At $5,000, it is an appealing choice for anyone wanting a comfortable, original, full-size American classic. Number 9. 1986 American Motors Eagle Wagon, $1 in $1,800, Milton, Pennsylvania. The 1986 American Motors Eagle Wagon is one of the most unusual vehicles here, combining station wagon practicality with four-wheel drive long before crossover vehicles became common. This example does not currently run, and the seller suspects a fuel pump problem. The vehicle remains complete and includes original American Motors floor mats, Eagle logo mud flaps, additional parts, accessories, and a factory service manual. At $1,800, it is an intriguing project with strong collector appeal because of its unusual design and four-wheel drive system. Number 10. 1969 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible, $9,995, Wilmington, North Carolina. This 1969 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible is designed for classic American cruising. It has a 390 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, and new canvas convertible top. The seller says the engine and car drive great and that it has been well maintained. The reported 16,345 miles is unusually low and should be verified. If accurate, it adds significant appeal. With full-size Ford styling, V8 power, and an open roof, this could be an excellent weekend cruiser at $9,995. Number 11. 1959 Ford Galaxie Fairlane, $6,500, Clarksburg, Ohio. This 1959 Ford Galaxie Fairlane has received extensive mechanical work, including a brand new 292 cubic inch Y-block engine, radiator, carburetor, fuel pump, exhaust manifolds, belts, hoses, fuel tank, starter, distributor, tires, and complete brake system with stainless steel lines. The body is described as 99% rust-free and retains its original paint. The rebuilt transmission has broken a band and needs repair, along with some exhaust work, at $6,500. It is an attractive project because much of the major mechanical work is already done. Number 12. 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, $5,500, Ashland, Kentucky. This 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is a complete barn find project, described as a good builder or future driver. It has some rust that needs attention, while the biggest concern is the missing title, which the seller is working to obtain. The Dynamic 88 offers classic full-size American proportions, chrome, and traditional comfort. At $5,500, the frame, floors, and structure should be inspected carefully. If the title is resolved and the structure is solid, it could become a distinctive restoration project. Number 13. 1989 Buick Riviera, $8,000. Whiteford, Maryland. This 1989 Buick Riviera is advertised in pristine condition with a reported 62,500 miles. Its automatic transmission and red exterior give it the classic personal luxury appearance associated with the Riviera. The most important step at $8,000 is verifying the claimed condition, mileage, mechanical health, and operation of its electronic and luxury equipment. If genuinely preserved, this could be a fascinating late 1980s survivor. Number 14. 1984 Pontiac Grand Prix, $6,500, Alliance, Ohio. This 1984 Pontiac Grand Prix is listed with just 1,111 miles, an automatic transmission, and blue exterior and interior. The seller describes it as being in good condition with no significant damage or problems. The extremely low mileage should be carefully documented because such a reading on a vehicle more than 4 decades old deserves verification. At $6,500, a genuinely low mileage and well-preserved example could make an interesting collector car.